Yo, what's happening, gang? This is VG, and today we are going to make a maze game. So first, we need three characters. One is a maze, second is this cat, and third is a cross. So I'm going to draw the maze and the cross. Okay. So first, let's draw the maze. I will skip this part. Okay, there we go. Now we have to make a cross. So we have to take a line and then make it red and zoom in and then make a cross like this. And don't forget one thing, that I have made this maze in vector mode, you can see here, and this cross in bitmap. So in bitmap mode there are only this much options, but in vector there are so many options, and we can also move it anywhere like this. Okay, so now let's set size and position of these two, cross and this cat. Okay, so this should be here, sorry, here. Okay, in script, let's set its size to that's okay. And now of the cross, so cross should be here and its size should be 60 there. Okay, now we have to code them all. So we have to just code only the sprite one, means the cat. So first we have to take a green flag, means when green flag clicked, means when this green flag click, so this cat will go to front, means front of this and of this, and next it will set its size to it was 25, set its size to 25, and then it will go to this position where it is 200 and minus 2 125, and then it will switch its costume to costume 1, this one, and then now the actual coding is here. So forever, and if not touching, if it's not touching the sprite 2, means the maze. Let me and this is the cross. Okay, now okay, this is the maze. So if it is not touching the maze, then only this everything will work. So if else, take an if else, if right arrow is pressed, if key right is pressed, then change x by 5, change x by 5. Then it will switch to next costume, and then it will, if it will touch black color, let me show you. If it will touch black color, click on this, and here black color, there we go. So it it will change its it will move minus pi by x. Means if it is touching here on the black, means on the maze, so it will move back. Same with everyone. If left arrow clicked, it will change x by minus y, or else it will change by 5. Means if it is touching black, it will change by 5. Same. Now this is different. Up is pressed. Now it will not change by x, it will change by y. Change by y by 5. Delete this. Now change by y by -5 if it is touching this black color, and if up arrow is clicked. Same with down arrow. There we go. Now let's see what yes, now this one is okay. Let this now this is okay. Now let's test it. Okay, yes, that's working. Okay, I find the problem. If it is not touching this cross, then only it will not move. Means this will not work. Okay, so now let's test it. There we go. Now it is working. Okay, it's really so simple. Now this is the last step. Now if it is touching the cross, so everything will stop and it will say I win. So first put it down here. Then if it is touching the cross, touching the cross, so it will say I win. For 2 seconds. Then it will stop all. Like this, and I win. There we go. This was a tutorial of maze game. Thank you.